going to join us. God's Lake, Manitoba, 1934, the land of all the gods, where the trees meet the shore. 3 miles from the reserve, 3 miles to the mine. The cabin stood alone, the cultures drew the line. She kept the fire in the rain. She could keep and away. 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 Give him to an older man, 16 she was a wife. No room to question love, no room to question life. A mother and a teacher, a midwife for the tribe. She welcomed to life each miner's child. For her there were no sides. She kept the fire in the rain. She could keep and away. She could keep and away. She could keep and away. She could keep and God's Lake, Manitoba, 1934. She lived life, loved and dreamed. She never asked for more. Silver years of corridors, so much was taken then. She's waiting for the spirit world, where she can once again keep a fire in the rain. She could keep and away. 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 So cool with the outside sounds. She kept the fire in the rain. She